Hello and welcome back. Glad to have you here today. I'm going to be talking about a basic algebraic principle that kids are going to start learning in about the 6th grade. That's going to go through college. Okay, this is called solving for x, otherwise known as determining the variable value or just isolating the variable, things like that. Okay, these problems a lot of time look simple, like 29 plus 5x equals 44. This is going to be the basic video for this. There will be other videos in this series to show a little bit more complex things. Okay, so we have this. We want to solve for x. We want to find the value of x. Okay, so isolating the variable. Little reminder, we want to start farther away. So right here we have 5x, 29 plus 5x equals 44. Here's something we need to remember. Both sides of that equal sign need to remain equal. So as I'm starting farther away, I have 29 annoying people following my group of 5, whatever it is. Okay, I have 29 things following me, so I need to get rid of 29 things. Not creepy or anything, but let's just subtract 29 right there, because 29 minus 29 equals 0. That's where we want to get. Anything plus 0, 0's not bugging you right there. So keep it same. If I subtract 29 from this side, I've got to subtract 29 from the other side to keep both sides of the equal sign the same. So 29 minus 29, okay, want to make that 0, and then equals 15. I just have a positive 5x right there, so I'm going to bring that down. Okay, now I have 5x equals 15. So how do I go from 5 to 1? Because x equals 1x, same thing. So how do I get from 5 to 1? I either eat 4 of them. That's not going to work because this is a coefficient, meaning a number attached to a variable. That is always multiplication. Okay, 5x, 5 times x, same thing. How do we get rid of something that's multiplied? We divide. We do the reciprocal of that. So 5 divided by what equals 1? There is an identity property of 1 as shown in Mr. Goff's math triangle of awesomeness. Any number in the world, decimal, fraction, negative numbers, whatever, any number divided by itself equals 1. So 5 divided by 5 equals 1. Now, if I divide the left side by 5, I divide the right side by 5. So I have 1x, which equals just x, equals 15 divided by 5, which is 3. So I'm going to take this and I'm going to plug this back in because I want to just double check and make sure that I did my math correct. So I have 29 plus 5 times 3 is 15. 29 times 15, plus 15, equals 44. So I know I've done that correct. Okay, I'm going to go through one more simple one here, looking at 3x minus 12 equals 15. Now I know I talk a little bit fast in some of these videos. You are totally welcome to slow me down on YouTube or pause it and rewind it. If you rewind about 20 seconds and you watch that 6 times, that's 2 minutes of your time, but you just got a portion of a lesson 6 different times. Very valuable for you. Okay, so 3x minus 12, I want to isolate the variable, so it's on the left side of the equal sign, and 3x, I have a negative 12 here. So if I owe somebody $12, what do I have to do to get up to 0? I want this to be 0. Okay, I have a negative 12, I owe them 12, so I need to add $12 to their hand. Gimme, gimme, gimme. So I added $12 because that makes this 0. That equivalent property, if I add 12 to this side, I need to add 12 to the other side of the equal sign. 15 plus 12 is 27. This is a 0. 3x plus nothing is simply 3x. So 3x equals 27. Now this is multiplied, so I need to consider dividing. Any number divided by itself equals 1. 3, itself equaling 3, divided by 3. 3 divided by 3 equals 1. 27 divided by 3 equals 9. Okay, so x equals 9. Now I definitely want to go back and I want to make sure that it is correct. So 3 times 9 is 27 minus 12. Does that equal 15? Yes, it does. So this is solving for x, isolating the variable in your algebra concept.